Hello guys, welcome to Live with Shamszareen. Being a medical professional and along with the personal chef, I always try to combine both of my expertise in cooking. And how, right? The way I generally combine my expertise, that is like when I think any cooking, the health thing is really comes first in my mind. Is it healthy? Is it good for the digestion, or is it very much sugary? So these kind of things. And secondly, I like to develop a fusion kinds of recipe. So generally, I go for the savory items as well as I also go for the dessert. But today, I want to incorporate it. I want to incorporate some kinds of items which I really like, and that is I want to make like puff pastry. Start with blueberry, raspberry, and strawberry. These three kinds of berries are very much favorite to me. So I don't want to linger in my speech. Better I show you for today's dessert what I take as an ingredients and how I will make my puff pastry, which is start with blueberry. So let's go to my kitchen and enjoy my baking, because baking is really fun, isn't it? Camilo, excuse me. Mama will make some puff pastry. Can you move your beautiful tail from the light? So I need blueberry, of course, and remember, when you will use the blueberry, definitely it will go for very good wash. You can add some baking soda with the water and keep the blueberry like 5 to 6 minutes, so that it will be really free from dirt or any kinds of germ, and so it is good to go. Then I took like this sour cream, then 2 eggs. I had half of orange because I need to peel off this oranges, that's why I keep it here. And now I take some flour, and I need a little bit spray of olive oil. I took this. Finally, I will just put the puff pastry in the cupcake mold, and for the egg batter I need to use this pot actually. And finally, this just roll puff pastry sheet. Now I will show you how I am going to cut the puff pastry just like the size of the cupcake, then how I am stuffing up all other items. This is the puff pastry sheet, and I'm dusting a little bit flour on it for rolling. So this is the cupcake shape, and I made all this cupcake shell with this just roll. I put it here. Now I'm going to make the stuffing. This is a different kind of stuffing, so let's go with me so that I can show you how I made it. So in this batter, I added, first of all, I added egg, then I added this daisy like sour cream, around 4 tablespoons. Then I added a pinch of baking soda, baking powder. Then I added the olive oil. Now I will twist it. So I already made the batter like this, and it's almost ready. The thickness, you see, it will be like that. But you have to add all-purpose flour like 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon. I think 2 teaspoon will be okay, because you have to check the batter. If you see the batter is just like a pancake batter, that is okay. It is still so runny. So I have to add one more, I think not 1, 2 more tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour in it. Now the batter is perfect. You see that? Okay, it's now. You have to mix the batter very quickly so that the batter will be smooth and the consistency will be accurate. Perfect. Now I'm going to prepare this stuffing. You see These are the blueberries, and I already add some orange zest on it. Now I will add some brown sugar with it. So now you can ask me why the brown sugar, why not the white sugar? You know, brown sugar is more healthier than the white sugar, because white sugar, for whitening, a chemical is added to make it whiter, whatever. So now I just mix all these things: sugar, brown sugar, orange zest, and the blueberry. So I already stuffed the batter, but make sure the batter will not be too much filled up. The reason behind it is another kind of cake, and it will rise up. That's why you have to keep some space empty. So this is the last one. I'm adding it here. Perfect. So it's almost there. Now I will add this blackberry, like 2 to 3 on the top, like 3 or 2. Now look at this, how gorgeous is blueberry muffin puff pastry. Excellent, isn't it? Now this is the time of the final touch, snowflakes. You know what I mean? Now I will dusting the sugar, powdered sugar on it to make it more delicious. Ta-da! I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to taste it. It's so gorgeous and so yummy, so delicious. Ta-da! Look at this. Look at this gorgeous dessert. Look at this gorgeous, the puff pastry. Now I will put it to my baking display, and then I will eat it. Hold on a second. Okay, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, it's beautiful, so gorgeous. So this is my cake stand, but I used it for displaying my baking items. Now time to give the review of the taste. Wait. So this is the time to give you the review. Oh, look at this. It has everything. Inside it has a tart feel, then it has like the crunchy, then the flavor of blueberry. Okay, hold on. I'm eating it. I'm giving my first bite. And listen the crunchy. Oh my god. It's so good. I am loving it. Excellent, because sugar level is so balanced, so crunchy. Instead there is a tart because I already used the yogurt, the flour. There is also a flavor of the blueberry muffin cake. So overall it is fantastic. It is awesome. No, it's not only me. I can give you the guarantee, if you make it in your house and if you test it by any other people, you're gonna love it. Trust me, try it, and don't forget, at least thumbs up to this blueberry muffin puff pastry. I can give you the guarantee, your family will be happy. First, you will be happy, your soul will be happy. So try for it. Thumbs up, like my channel, share this recipe, and subscribe, and stay with Live with Shams Zareen. Till then, bye, take care, and I'll be again to you with a new recipe or new any video. Hopefully till then, bye, take care.